welcome back to our channel. My name is Evelyn, and today we're assembling the top candelabra with 2-vase centerpiece. Let's get started. Begin by attaching the candelabra arms to the center disc. Add a washer first, then add a nut bolt to secure the arm in place. Be sure to alternate between the two different types of candelabra arms. Once attached, I'm going back and tightening the bolts using a hex key. Next, we're assembling the base. Start by passing the smaller metal dowel through the center of the weighted base holder and secure it through the bottom using the larger nut bolt provided. Top off the base with the gold base cover, then screw on one of the end caps from the center column to the top of the metal dowel. Once that is tightly in place, screw on the center column. Add the longer metal dowel to the top of the clock. Then add the center disc with the candelabra arms and the disc cover. I'm adding the gold metal dowel cover, then moving the centerpiece onto the floor to work on the top portion and add the small center base. Now screw on the candle holder cups and add the hurricane glasses and 2 vase glasses. Lastly, add the acrylic rod using the rubber O-rings. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to stop our social media pages for more event inspiration and subscribe to see our latest videos. Thank you again and see you next time.